Hey everyone! With Valentine's Day coming up, I wanted to share a project that I made with some of the Hobby Lobby after Christmas clearance items. I am cutting out a stencil from contact paper or transfer paper to do this Valentine's Day sign. Now that I have this template cut with my Cricut, I am just going to apply it to the sign. It's the clear contact paper from, I believe it was Dollar Tree, so it's a little bit harder to see in the video. This was my second attempt at making this stencil. The first attempt was with just regular vinyl, and that one, the stickiness was a little bit too much for this sign and the material on it. So I'm just going to carefully put that on. I got the design from Design Space. It is XOXO, but instead of O's, you have hearts. We are going to do this in red and white because I also want to use something else that I found in the Christmas section that was on clearance that I thought would be really cute to add with this. Now that we have the stencil applied, I am using white and red paint. The white is going to go on first to prevent any of the bleeding from the red onto the white background of the board. I am going to go ahead and say that you have to ignore my paintbrushes. They are portable. My little one got a hold of them, and so I am waiting on an Amazon order to come in with new ones. Now that the white paint has dried, I'm going to be starting on the red. I will take a smaller brush and go around the lettering first just to make sure that there's no bleeding. Even though I did use the white paint first, I was still a little worried that there might be some bleed through on the back. I believe I got this acrylic paint off of Amazon. I would definitely recommend a better quality one because this took, I believe it was 3 different coats. Now that I finally got it the shade that I wanted, I'm just going to take a heat gun and lightly go over it. That way it will also help the residue from the stencil come up without tearing up the back of the board. The one that I tried doing before this one, it left a bit of a residue and kind of like scuffy marks, then wasn't real nice. So I wanted to try to prevent that with this one and just slowly peeling it apart. And you'll get to see here in just a minute how cute this lettering is. So here it is, and I thought to make it really pop and give it a little something extra, I had a gold foil paint pen. So I am just going to kind of stencil the outer parts of the X's and the hearts. Now that I have that part done, I found this beaded garland in the Christmas clearance aisle at Hobby Lobby that I thought would be really cute to add to this sign on the bottom with the tinsels and the beads, the red and white. I thought this would be perfect together. Here I'm just kind of measuring it out to see about what length I'll need of it, and then cut it. And the great thing with this is I still have a lot left over that I can use for another Valentine's Day project or for the Christmas season this year. Now that I've cut the end off where I wanted to put at the corner of the sign, I am just going to knot the end of it so the beads do not fall off and to just secure it a little bit better. And this will also help me have an area to hot glue it to the corner of the sign. So now that I have that one end tied, the other one was already good and done for me. I am going to start gluing the corner piece, and then I'll go to the middle and then to the last corner piece. With the middle piece, I was worried that the weight of the garland would weigh it down and it would pop off, so I used some of the string that I had left over to wrap around the middle portion of it and to give the hot glue a little bit something better to adhere to. I ended up finding some gold fabric hearts from a previous project that I thought would look really cute on here and kind of go with the gold around the lettering. But here it is finished. There is a couple little spots I need to go in and touch up, but I think it turned out really cute. I may have spent $5 in total for the garland and the sign. But if you would like to see more videos like this, please leave a like and a comment and make sure to subscribe. I have some more coming up soon, and thanks for watching.